ba? My pet settings the toilet. I was yelling apart. I was at casino because Lana awake commands. So I had to I'm a customer. Like next door table guys planning toilets yeah go Hayibo yenza umsebenzi owenziwayo ne-toilets sengi-right manje I'm good yo hayi bandla bengiphisiwe yeza bengiphisiwe hayi nje into yokudlala yo sisemsebenzini manje and I was working in heels I don't even know what this means what's happening on my heel. But anyways, anywho, I hope everyone's good. Kuyabanda. Oh, son. And my lace is even showing, but not that much. Yes, so lace because me keep his on. Oh, son. Oh, guys, and keep my lashes. Yes, I look like a different person. I miss having lashes on. I miss having lashes on. Oh my goodness, guys, I miss having lashes on. Okay, this is the clue. So hello besties, hi Sherafetu Hambani yo guys, do you have flu? Yes, I have flu. I've been having flu, guys, so it's not a new thing. Flu I need a car. Which car are you looking for? Ukuthi ngifuna imoto kumele ungitshele ukuthi wena ufuna yiphi imoto and then I'll be able to assist you. Yeah. Yabona nje kuningi. Yeah. Chemical engineer. Hammer the lace. Okay, so you said chemical engineer here. We shared with Publica. How can I get a second hot BMW? How much do you want to pay for it? How much do you want to pay for a vehicle? Cause it BMW. Yeah, boy. Hey. How much is the M3 comp? What is the M3 comp? Mina M3, like, why are you initializing the name of the vehicle? I mean, Mercedes, what BMW, okay, BMW, yeah, zero, but look when you bank. Kadwai my soulmate it's Hatlala Woodenat. Lol guys, Nanglisa. 10k. You wanna pay 10k on a BM? No, that's impossible. BM Peliabiza it's almost like 500,000 and above. So like it was and I can't afford 500,000 and above for a brand new vehicle. How much more for, for a second hand? Okay, it could be around like 13, 14, 15k. Yeah, well, depending on like which payments. Is it fixed, step payment, etc., and the interest rates that you get. But yeah, you can get a BM, guys. Besides the Porsche the Bugatti, you know. We don't even have those cars. I'm breaking up with you. Why are you breaking up with me? Your body is coffee. Any tips? I don't have a coffee, like a body coffee. I don't have a body that is coffee. Yeah, shame now. Saying I will and you guys. I'm saying I body lay coffee. Yeah, boy. How much can I pay for a porch? Guys, in Musanje Usalangan. I keep Porsche, right? Like we do not sell a Porsche, but it's Kosam. Bad like Kosam. How did they almost steal your phone? I explained this yesterday. So I was doing the challenge, Leah Bella. Hi. And then as I was like approaching a taxi rank, then there was like this group of people that came out of nowhere. But I've already held it like quick grip, like it's already like it's tight. And then people were like, and that's when I noticed I'm about to buy the phone, because they were so fast. Being using Bafik, Bafik, yo. Yebo. Come on.
Your mom's birthday.
Oh, thank you.
And also
What drink ngani? How good don't tell ngani min. Unomkhuhlane? Yes, I have umkhuhlane. So yeah, sure to do deliver to Heidelberg. Yes, we do deliver to Heidelberg. So guys, been funting sana motor flip. So this is the interior car of the MG ZS Comfort. It is 1.5 liter engine. Engine 1.5 liter engine, 85 kilowatts, fabric seats, in a 8-inch screen, in a CarPlay and eCarPlay, which is the Android Auto, and the Apple CarPlay. So we are at automatic, which ranges around 4.5 to 5,000 rand per month. It's a brand new car. So can I get a second hand? Second hand, when you can pay 4.5 for this vehicle, and second hand you literally gonna pay like 5k, like 6k for amount. Do you get me? So I feel like, guys, akwazi ukuvala umlomo ilip gloss. I don't see the reference lapo or something, but okay, it's fine. Moving on. Like, why do you wanna buy a second-hand car when you can just get a brand new one straight from the box? And for the salesperson, Mark, is gonna be me. You put my name in passenger seats. Passenger seats. I'm joking. Mercedes-Benz X-Class. I'm willing to pay 20k installment. Okay, you can text me on TikTok. Futhi wena nje uthe ufuna ungithengela lunch some ngakunika yini. So I gave usibulanga a account number, but he akaze ngisendele imali. Yabo. Qale wawathi waqala wangitshela lokho on we business page halfway ushoti one yabo. He's like, oh, you look cute, what send your account number, ngizokuna lunch. I sent it come on. And then now he texted me on my main page, main account, what, oh, you look cute, what send your account number. I'm not even gonna bother. Like, my brother, do not waste my time. Nje dlala bakwethu Sam ungangisendeli nje. imali ngine-email zami yabo. Ungikhumbuza le old Banike content DC. Yes, I used to do it a lot. I was so young. Now I've grown. Yes, uyahlupha unyoko. Why is she calling me? Ngimfonele la. Why ngifonela ntombazane? Ish, in the yala. Why did you cut me off? Why did I cut you off, Spay? Manje uyakwazi uku-order online iy'moto. Yes, uyakwazi ukungisendela ama-applications online and then uyakudelivela yona imoto once you have signed everything. Short when you always make me laugh. Kanjani nkosami ngitheni? Because mina yazi angihlekisi. Do you sell Haval? Yes, we do have iHaval, guys. Sidayisa zonke iy'nhlobo zey'moto. Uyamazi uMadleka? Yes, I know uMadleka. Oh, le ntombazane. Sayibambike le ntombazane. Why engifonela? Where is so guys, sise halfway empangeni. Yeah. Different brands, if I may ask. Yes, we sell different brands. Where is your nose piercing? Yo, it's yaphuma. I love him 17. Oh, ngobani? Love him ngobani njani? How much is Mercedes? Angiyazi kusema ngaze ngamdayisela umuntu Mercedes. So guys, manthi ngifuna ngidayisela Mercedes ngikhona ne. We are going to source it for you. Yabo. Yangeni nonengaf. Nibahle kodwa lapha emotweni. Ubani umoya omuhle? There's only me, so I feel like bomele uthi umuhle lapha emotweni, but ke ngiyabonga. Ki prank ne? I'm thinking it's a prank. Why uzongipranka? So uma kunomuntu njengawe emsebenzini how drama malini 7-seater. So guys, i-7-seater ehlukene ngawu-3 ne. I-Avanza nje ayisebo. So there is a Triber, a Tigger, and you know Remion. Yes, Remion is the most expensive. A Triber ilapho ko 4.5 per month, and then a Tigger is around 6.5, then a Remion is around 8k. Yabo. I don't know why I'm happy because the design is cute. It's not bad, but yeah. So today is my birthday. Happy birthday, Mongezi Kaba. Late ugqoke ebhasini. No, I wasn't late ke sana, bengi early guys. Yo izolo beduma bafethi nizwileni. Angazi noma mhlawumbe beduma empangeni virtual space khawini, but hayibo bekhala like bekhala. Imbici yenzani manje la? Yo beduma izolo, and I woke up very, very tired in the morning. I woke up very tired, Sana. Hi, Mo, guys. It was just bad. How much is your nails? I think it was around 200 rand, including the toenails. Is your nose blocked? Yes. Do you actually work it halfway? Da, 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 da. Yo guys, yes, I used to say my type. Mandluli mode. Hey, manje fascinate as well. Yo, ngiphumile kwabafana yo. Abasachazi nje bangicasula. 7-seater we-Ertiga is 7.5. 7-seater we-Ertiga. 7-seater we-Ertiga is around 6.5. So yeah. Can I come there halfway and buy a car? Yes, you can. Can you please do more vlogs, yo? Vlogging is tiring. I have a vlog that I vlogged when I went to Chuzini. Now I still have to edit it. I am so tired. Can't tell me, man. Yo, khona yini lana osebenzela khona? What does that mean? Khona yini lana osebenzela khona? I understand me to khuluma ngani, but yo, yo, Sana, I look so untidy today. I feel like enjoying angizizwa. Plus, I removed my lashes, so yeah. What happened to the beautiful afro you had? It's underneath here, underneath this frontal. Hey, guys, finally, in my content idea. I'm so tired. Manje, what happened to your YouTube channel? Hey, guys, ngimbuza ngenkinga eyiningi. Oh, sana niyangbuza yezwa. Kuthi wenzaleni lokho? Kwenzaleni? Nkosi yami, mina angazi bayenzi. Angazi. I don't know. Angazi Nkosi yami ukuthi ngizophendula ngithini bakithi. Ish. But you look so good. Thank you so much. Ngizodlula ngikuphamisela isandla. Ngizophuma ngo-3 lana ekhasini. Akwazi phela ukuthi ungiphamisele isandla. Oh, ngilethele ukudla. Like, do something. Uzophamisela isandla ngizosidla leso sandla leso. Ngoba phela isandla ngidliwa. Ngidle ukudla la. Adlali la bafethu. Adlali. Have you ever vlogged on YouTube? Yes, I do have a YouTube channel, but I need help. Yes, you at go Pretoria. No, I'm not at Pretoria. I need to Pretoria. I don't adopt it fast. Hey, I'm not mali bandle adoption. I'm not mali adoption. Can I take you out? Hey, no. Guys, I don't understand that, but you're so humble. Thank you. Congratulations on 2 million. Thank you so much. I don't know if I'm supposed to celebrate or what. Why can't you be my hand? Hey, kusami. I didn't know I'm cholo by it. Hey, sneaking a niggy by it, Spandler. His own one's Malia Ayatis. Yeah, go January. Hey, Bantley. Hey, hello. Hey, Jolo, there's some Jolo. I about guys. I'm missing in monthly. No, you're pale. Oh, Nick. Yeah. Not everything is about Jolo. How ma? Jolo is only animal. Hey, bo. Able to any. Huh? Your skin is clearer than the blank pages I left in Menchikio. Uyaphunza, I don't drink. Giholu 135k. Which car can I get? Any car you want. Can I send you money? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Hi, Ma. Is this da 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 zebe izolo ngizitshe ngaze ngahamba. Yo, I didn't even see your comment. Sebenza kanye noMadleka. No, uMadleka usePortshepstone City or Durban Central. I'm not even sure, but useThekwini. Even ukudlula ayibo bama nje ngedela.
Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good. And yourself?
I'm good.
Yeah, I added you by mistake as a nag.
Can you please follow me back?
Alright, just did. Yo, ngazi nosekwenzaleni guys. Mina ngifunela wena ehangingeke guys ngomjolo. Thola amashiti awu6 uzobona ukuthi uyabhadala umjolo. I don't even care about umjolo guys. Mina nje imali ngiyenzela bandla. Kusiyami anginaso nje isikhathi somjolo. Go one nodwa. Ngiyakhe izinko zadliwa ngoDisemba. Xa ngisebenzisa izinko sami. Ngcono vele anginasinko bandla. Ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga Somandla. Ngiyabonga. Yo girl, uphunyukile. Can I tell you something? Yes, you can tell me something. Zama Katire. La la. Oh, you're so fine. Thank you so much. Yes, guys. Hey. It's all looking very nice. 20 my lashes. Like, akusenawo. Mancane ke nje lawo. Inkopho zami ayisekho. Hayi ma. Hi ma guys, inkopho zami ayisekho. Hello, can I see your nails? Can you see them? Yo, it's Bedumizolo yazi namanje. And what's the tiny? The way beduma ngakhona izolo. Hi Bo. Why are your eyes blackish? Because I'm black. Umtomnyama kakhulu bona umtomnyama eyaphezulu. Umtomnyama kakhulu bona umtomnyama eyangezansi. Oh, uyakhumbula mngani wa. Ngitshengisa imoto ne guys. Shoti gijima nje umushe ibhasi. Hey bethu. Kubi. Ayokulethana hello well guys ngiyasiphoshada bandla cela ngeke manje cela ngeke yey ozokhuluma ngomjolo ngemblocker manje ngeke seniyajoyelana phela manje angifu guys ngiyahluphezwa anima kancane guys no angazi why abafana mabeshela they have this theory ukuthi bemenshine umshado like how mawengane zami awu nkami mayazi ukushada like how Like that is not even fascinating. Like achazi lokho bandla nkosiyami sichazwa imali shela ngemali oh yabo bese nithi siyathengisa vele ninjalo nina hayi ma like I do you love singing? I really love singing but I cannot I cannot sing to save my life. Ugcina utholile ibhasi. Yes guys, mina uyangazi nje mina it's nguCaster Semenya. Ijubane ngilishaya ngithi hona ngilishaya ijubane angidlali bethu ngithi jubane bandla lip combo tutor. Like my lip combo is still not 100% like good, but it's not that bad. Yeah, I hope that. Are you gonna be at work on Christmas? Hey, I'm not even sure. But I don't think. Angeke. Ngizothamaya Miss MG. You know that's right. Ngaze ngahlala emotweni zenu soze iguge nje anilanda nami. Anilanda nje imoto. Soze igugele la nje esibhizi siyagqoba, siyangena, siyakhuluma. Lana imoto, lana nje futhi you can get a cash break of 5k. Nje wakho othi wena. Hey. But yeah, you can get the cash back. And the amount of it. Like the amount. I prefer cherry. That's good. It's not bad. It's good. It is great. Yeah. So yeah. Can I comment halfway? Yes, you can. This is my 57th comment in this. You need to get your school work uniform. This is. I see your work uniform. This is basically the shirt and the lower pants. Nothing fascinating about it. A swinky. So why do I smile? Content, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna be offline for a while. I'll come back after 3 weeks. Yeah, so we have 3 weeks, guys. Yeah. So we have 3 weeks, so we're right to get guys in the English of 3 weeks. Since you are. Is this the car that you gave the guy from his video? No, it's not. The car that I gave that guy was a tri-bike. He bought a tri-bike and he's only paying like 4.18 on a tri-bike. So lucky. Which car is the best at halfway? NG. Then this car is Geely. What a car. Emma don't go on Lamont. Emma so it's meant for motor. Yes, what in 3 months sleep and do travels like that. If you are self statement driver's license and sizocela ukuthi usiphi driver's license kamama umuntu oshadile umuntu abane-driver's license if kumdala lo msiza kumdala mhlawumbe nisha 30s yabo sizothi bheka sizothi bheka ubaba wakho yabo so inganjalo ngelento leyo network awuthi ngihambe guys kusentshawa network yeah, let me go guys because I need to go to see a bed so ay bakifika ay ba kunengane la I rebuke yo ngaze nganziba yeke ingane Betty. Bye guys. Ngizonibona. Ngizonibona guys. Senkhathele mina. Wena mama ikhethele. Live on 2 bits.